So we're going to put a regulator, pressure regulator in line in this 3/4 poly tubing. Took our cutter, I cut the pipe. We're going to see which way the flow of the water is. It's right here. The arrow shows you on the Senninger pressure regulator. And this will reduce the pressure so that we don't split our drip tape on our mum field. This is a gray PVC insert fitting. It's a male adapter, threaded so that it fits onto the Senninger pressure regulator. And you want to put the clamps on top of the barbs for a tight fit, using your nut driver. This is the manifold we've been using